Here's McRuff's new bone from Mommy. This little tiny dog loves huge bones. And Mommy loves playing with him.
Run. Give Mommy a kiss. Give me a kiss. No, that's sneaky. That's sneaky. Come down here. All right. Show Daddy. Show everybody you love your bones. Is he eating it?
No, he is.
Look at Daddy. Look at Daddy. Say, thank you, Daddy.
He loves that. Look at that. He really gets into it. That's his whole world with it when he's with you. God have his bone with him.
Nice, son. Give Mommy some. Share. Want to share?
Bye-bye.